7 is our completing the square question. They've been a little bit mean with this minus 2x squared, but we can cope with that. Generally there's two ways to deal with the minus ones. One method is to completely ignore it, leave it on the outside of the whole question, complete the square of the positive version of the question, and then just times everything in your very last row by -1 to get it in the form that they want. Or you can complete the square the same way you would with a positive number here with your first step, where you would take out minus 2 in this case from the first two terms and leave that as a -9. Doesn't matter which way you go about it. I think this way is going to be easier if you struggle. So the first way I explained is going to be easier if you struggle with the minuses. So we're going to pretend it's not there. We're going to deal with this normal completing the square question until we finish, and then deal with that annoying minus later. So first job in here is to take out the factor of 2 from the first two terms. So we're going to take that 2 out, and we're going to be left with x squared plus 8x. We then complete the square of this bracket here, of this section. So that's going to be -2, and then I'll do a red bracket. X, we're completing the square of this now, and we halve this number, put it in a bracket, square the bracket, and subtract the square of this. So what I've wiggled here is now equal to what's in these red brackets here. So we're now going to bring this 2 back inside the red brackets. I'm still going to leave the minus on the outside. Sorry, I should have another set of brackets here. So I'm going to deal with the 2 now. Times the 2 back in to get rid of the red brackets. So we're going to have 2 times the square bracket, take away 32, and plus 9. So that's got rid of the red brackets. Now we can collect these two numbers together at the end there. Which is going to be -23. And then if there hadn't been a minus sign, that would be our answer, but there is. So now we're going to bring that minus back in to these two terms here. So we're going to have -2 x plus 4 squared plus 23. That's my answer to this question.